How to calculate the sum of odd numbers using Raptor. Before proceeding, first we need to save the file. Odd numbers. Okay. First we need to take the input for calculating the odd numbers range. So just drag and drop. Right click on that, edit. Enter the number. I am taking that number as A. Next, we need to take assignment operators for assigning the I and some value to the 0 and 1. Just drag and drop the assignment operator. Click on here, right click and edit. First I am assigning I to the 1. In the next assignment operator, just right click, click on edit and assign sum to the 0. Next we need to take the loop. For iteration purpose we are taking the loop. Here we need to write the condition. Just click, right click on that and click on edit. I equal to I plus 1. If this condition satisfies, that only we are entering into the loop. See. Here we need to take one selection block, because if it is odd, only we need to calculate the sum of the numbers. So click on that, edit. If I mod 2 equal to 0. If this condition is false, then only that number is an odd number. So if this condition false, we want to take here one assignment operator and we want to assign some value to the click here, right click. We need to assign some value to the sum plus I. Just click on done. After this condition, we need to increment I value. So I am just drag and dropping that assignment operator to increase. I am increasing I equal to I plus 1. Okay. After some calculation the sum, I need the print. So I am drag and dropping that output here and just right click on that, edit. The sum is plus sum. Just I am checking the condition whether it is a false, like if it is not an odd number, I am incrementing the sum. Now I am executing, asking the number to enter. I am giving as 5. If you want detailed information, check this window. See like in what iteration it is there and what is the sum value in each iteration. Here it will update. Sum value is the 9.